Hi, I'm Gary White for Central Kentucky Television. I'm down at the Marion Adjustment Center. I'm here with Stephen Owen, who is with the CCA, the Correction Corporation of America, which is the owner and operator of the Marion Adjustment Center. And this past week, it was announced that the facility here did not get their contract approved by the state, which means that the facility potentially will be closing here at the Marion Adjustment Center. And what kind of time frame are we talking about for that?
Well, technically the contract would end this weekend. Obviously there would have to be a transition time for the inmates to be moved, and that's up to the Kentucky Department of Corrections. At this point, though, what we're hoping is that Kentucky officials will reconsider that decision. This facility is one of the top performing facilities when it comes to inmate rehabilitation, so it affects everyone in Kentucky, not just here locally, and we're hoping that they'll take that into consideration.
And also, though, here locally, it does affect 160 employees that are currently here. Is that correct?
It does. 166 employees, a payroll annually of about $5.3 million, including all the other ways that we affect the local economy. But again, too, what a lot of folks don't realize is that this facility impacts all of Kentucky because of the rehabilitation programs that they provide and how that impacts public safety and how that impacts savings to taxpayers.
And the contract, of course, was up for renewal, and the facility here knew that. However, it was hoped that it would be renewed. But currently, the Marion Adjustment Center is the only privately owned by CCA facility handling prisoners for the state. Is that correct?
That's correct. We have one other facility operating in Kentucky that houses inmates from the state of Vermont.
Right, okay. And there are two other facilities in the state that are owned by CCA. Is that correct?
There's one other beyond that. So we have a total of 3 facilities that we own.
Right.
Correct.
And in the past years, 2 of those, the other 2 facilities of the 3, they did have state, but they lost their contracts as well. And one was able to actually, as you said, get some prisoners from Vermont, and one ended up having to close. Is that correct?
That is correct.
So there is some work to hopefully see if there's a possibility of maintaining this facility?
We certainly, if it gets to that point, will look to actively market this facility because it's a well-run institution. It's nationally accredited by the American Correctional Association. Again, it offers outstanding rehabilitation programs, so we certainly would do that. But again, our real hope is that the Kentucky officials will reconsider the decision given all the ways that we help Kentucky taxpayers and help these inmates prepare for successful reentry.
And today we're here to see a GED program at the facility, and that is something that people may be thinking, well, why they're in prison, they shouldn't be getting an education. But by getting that education, they will hopefully prevent them from coming back to a facility such as this and become more productive in the future.
Correct. In addition to the fact that it's the right thing to do to give these inmates the opportunity to succeed, we have to remember that 95% of all inmates return to communities, and we want to return them ready to succeed and not commit new crimes. And so we offer substance abuse treatment programs, GED, academic programs, all of these things that are found and proven to reduce recidivism, and this facility is one of the top performing in the state and has been recognized by Kentucky as such. And so we hope that we'll get the opportunity for our staff to continue doing a great work.
So by this one closing, they may move to another facility, whether it be a county detention center or some other facility that's not actually offering those programs. Is that correct?
Typically, jail facilities are not designed for longer-term inmates and the needs that they require. We can't speak for where Kentucky will place the inmates, but what we can speak to is that if those inmates continue to remain here, they will receive the best programs that Kentucky has to offer.
Well, thank you very much. And again, I'm talking with Steve Owen, who's with CCA, Correction Corporation of America, who's the owner of the Marion Adjustment Center, and we'll keep you up to date. Hopefully they'll be able to find a way to leave this facility open. Thank you very much.
Thank you.